thing worse than your job being in jeopardy is you having no clue that your job is actually in jeopardy. So today, we'll be hinting at you the 5 telltale signs that you just might be on your way out and what you can do to rectify it. Lord have mercy.
Why are we talking about this today?
I'm
very concerned as to why they choose the day when me and you work to put 5 signs to know when your job is in jeopardy. Something bad and do something we don't know.
Well, me can tell you one sign. If you come in and you say good morning to your boss and you don't get no answer. All right, Keon. You are suddenly in charge of fewer things.
No, that's not me yet.
Decisions that used to be yours are now being made by other people. Responsibilities are being taken off your plate. You know, this is funny.
That's what happened to you?
No, but I know some people would get less responsibility and say, hey,
that's nice.
You know, some still I get the same money and me had the less work.
And they wouldn't pick it up, say, hey, the axeman soon come for you.
Lord have mercy.
Wow, that's not good. You are invited to fewer meetings than usual. You know, some people sit down and they ball every day, Lord, another meeting. Careful what you wish for.
Yeah.
For if you are not invited to the meetings, it could possibly mean that they want to give you the...
This says your input is no longer valued.
Yeah.
Or required in group discussions. Plans are being formed
without you.
And decisions are being made without you.
Wow.
Lord of mercy. Well, number 3, I think most people know. Your company is suffering financially and there are talks of cutbacks and projects being cancelled.
But a lot of, I mean, in terms of the financial state of most countries at this point, people are suffering and companies are suffering. So I don't even know if we can use that as a checkpoint because...
But similarly, companies are cutting back on staff.
Every company does, so what that means? Everybody in jeopardy?
They're saying, you know, we don't need people because the technology is doing what it's doing. Lord Jesus, by the time I can't done with the viewers, them this morning.
Everybody afraid to go. When them go work tomorrow, everybody's going to be like, is there anything I can do for you today, boss?
see, I'm telling you, number 4.
Your manager starts avoiding you.
Yes.
If a manager who you used to spend time with suddenly becomes distant, avoids eye contact, stops mentoring, it could be that they know and you don't, that you are on your way out. In that case, coaching becomes unnecessary and socializing awkward. So in other words, I'm not really business with you. It could indicate that they have impending bad news and not prepared or authorized to share with you.
So they're avoiding contact.
But them just is a man in the
eye. They don't want looking in your eye and you say, oh, boss, you know, next month, I'm going to buy a car.
And don't say you can't afford the car payment. Don't do it because you can't afford
not buy a car. So them just avoid you because, oh, God. When them say, boss, next month, me say, you know, maybe this month, I go on a cruise. Because I'm going to make back the money the next 2 months. And the boss say,
if you see him go on Twitch.
Oh, boy.
If you Twitch, don't go on the cruise.
Well, it also says, be careful not to let paranoia about someone else's behavior become a self-fulfilling prophecy.
So them tell you that now. After them give you all the warnings, them tell you so we must be careful.
Me like it. You know, me like it. Stay friendly and upbeat with your boss. Book a one-on-one meeting. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, man, follow him. If you say morning and the boss not answer, follow him.
Morning, boss!
Follow him.
You'd be the most annoying employee.
No, follow him, man. Follow him. Because conscience is going to lick him, you know.
And him not going to fire you?
Yeah, you give me tea and you run up and down. One day, I'm going to say, oh, God.
Don't fire.
Me no know.
That's not true.
Fire.
That's not true. I don't know about listen to Delia. I'm not going to annoy them and make them fire. Look
Me no know. Oh, for fire.
Don't annoy them. What's
Number
the next one?
5, you start to receive written warnings about minor infractions. Me know about that one.
If you chew bubble gum, you get a memo.
Me know about that one. When you start to some EPA memo, I come your way, darling. Don't wait for the final one.
Let me resign.
Yes, this could be a sign that your employer is planning to let you go. Civil servants know this process well and that they want to protect themselves from wrongful dismissal claims. When the whole EPA memo does come. You're the postman. You take them.
So what if you do? Don't tell them you do what?
Well, you can go up and leave.
And then when you come back here, you say you don't have a job?
No, wrongful dismissal. Me never there. So you can't tell me.
All you're doing is delaying the inevitable. If them going to fire you, them going to fire you.
Yeah, but you still, if you take a month's leave, Sakina, that's still a month extra
pay. A month?
Yeah, man, take the month's leave and use it for go find a work. So when you come back, you say, guys, look, I'm back from leave, but I'm
going to be out. Here's my resignation.
Yeah, and then you get to leave with that you've resigned on your thing rather than them fire you.
That's true. I agree with that. And it says why nobody likes.
When I see the memo come.
I don't like what you're telling the people.
Keon, you have number 6, should we say? We did say 5, but 6 says, a new manager being brought in is always a risky sign too. Very true.
Is that so?
Yeah, because sometimes people come in and they want to bring in people that they know and trust.
As opposed to maintaining the same staff.
Right.
Oh, but that's not fair.
And personalities can clash.
After I'm in a business with your personality, if me come here to work and you come here to work, why is that a problem?
But me can come in and me say, look at how everybody else is working. And Sakina comes here every month. She's just flitting all over the place.
She don't mean it for really, or she just giving an example.
Annoying. I'm going to write her a memo. You'll never know.
But
and they don't understand your work ethic. You have some people, they get to work late,
but they put in like midnight
hours.
Right.
You have some reach before the security.
And
them in the pantry for the entire day. Every time you look, them going to drink tea.
That's true.
So, you know, new managers.
And done the condensed milk.
But again, don't make it a self-fulfilling prophecy, not true.
Guys, these are just some tidbits. Why are you waving me off? It's true, I've done the condensed milk. These are just some tidbits to keep in mind, just in case you're seeing how these happening, just so you can keep your heads up and you might want to go looking for another job, right? Up next, the 4-H Club will be here to tell us their Labor Day plans.